So depth framework is something that we have curated over so many years of working with our clients on many projects, hundreds of projects of the experience that our consultants have gathered over time. It's a framework that we apply on all of our projects across all the engagements with our clients. And what it really means is it's broken down into those 5 steps or 5 phases. The first one is discover of the depth. The second step is envision. The third step is prove. The fourth step is transform, and then it's hone. These 5 steps are the most essential steps to deliver value from any of the customer data or analytics projects. And what discover means is where we really look at the problem statement. We understand what exactly are the objectives. What is the gap in their current environment, in their architecture, in the ways of working and delivering the value. And we really understand and uncover all the current happenings in the business, if you like. The second step is envision. Once we have taken all the gaps and understanding of the business currently, then we go into the defining the future state architecture or the target operating model, as you may call it. It's the step where we define the roadmap as well. So this is something that we work very collaboratively on. We create that target architecture, we create the roadmap as well, so that it's very easy to understand what are those well-defined milestones that will help the business generate the value. So that's the envision part. Once that envision stage is done, we then go into proving the framework, the roadmap, and the business use cases that we have picked. And that proof, in some cases, for some businesses, you might be calling it as an MVP, the minimal viable product. But that is the stage where we prove the technology, we prove the architecture, we prove it with a business use case as well, and we ensure that this is the right track and the complete infrastructure for the business. At that stage, when we have proven it, right, that's the stage when we then go into the transform, which is extending and scaling to all the other business cases, the functions, and really going all out with the transformation of the business with that roadmap and the architecture that we had defined. And then hone is really continuous improvement, the whole evolution of that product that has been built. Where depth framework really helps the businesses is to accelerate their journey of the transformation for the customer data and analytics projects. And this can apply to most of the engagements that we have, whether it's a cloud migration of your customer data, whether it's about generating some value from the customer analytics use cases. It could be a master data management project. It could be a data quality project. It could be an end-to-end implementation of a BI and an analytics project. So it can really help you with any of these projects. The other very important aspect in depth is it de-risks your project from any of the pitfalls. It has all the best practices embedded. It has the right templates. It has the accelerators embedded in the right places that will help all of your projects go much faster, and you feel much safer in achieving the milestones as well. So that's where depth framework really helps our clients deliver the value from the customer data in a much faster way.